Quick Start 10-Step Guide. 4 phases. 1. Wind down time, 30 minutes before set sleep time. 2. Sleep time. 3. Nearly wake time appears 15 minutes before wake time. The backlight remains on for 1 hour. 1. Charging. Connect USB cable and charge until the red light turns green in approximately 3 hours. Important, only use a standard 5-volt USB power source. 2. Turn on. Press on-off. Good morning, Zeepy. Note, backlight off and the battery icon is on. You need to charge Zeepy. 3. Modes. Press set. Clock only, teenage mode. Press set. Face only, baby mode. Press set. Face and clock, toddler and child mode. 4. Set time. Press mode, sun icon is wake up time. Press mode, moon icon is sleep time. Press mode, clock icon is set current time. Press and hold set for 3 seconds. Hour icon should flash. Press plus to adjust hours up. Press minus to adjust hours down. Press set to move to minutes. Press plus to adjust minutes up. Press set to fix time. 5. Set wake time. Press mode, sun icon, wake up time. Press and hold set for 3 seconds until hour flashes. Press plus to adjust hour up. Minus to adjust hour down. Press set to fix hours. Set minutes. Press plus to adjust minutes up. Press minus to adjust down. Press set to fix time. Audio alarm. Press mode, toggles alarm on or off. Audio alarm can only be activated during wake settings. Nearly wake face appears for 15 minutes before wake time. This can't be adjusted. The face will wake up at set wake time and the backlight stays on for 1 hour. Press plus to turn the light back on. 6. Sleep time. Moon icon. Press mode. Press set for 3 seconds. Set hour. Plus to adjust hour up. Press minus to adjust hour down. Press set to move to minutes. Press plus to adjust up. Minus to adjust down. Press set to fix time. Wind down face appears 30 minutes before sleep time. This can't be adjusted. The face will sleep at set sleep time. 7. Brightness. To adjust brightness, press minus to dim or turn backlight off. Press plus to increase brightness. 8. Lock. Press and hold plus and minus for 6 seconds until the lock icon appears. This is recommended to prevent children from tampering. To unlock, press and hold plus and minus for 6 seconds. 9. Low battery. If the backlight goes off and the battery icon appears, connect the USB charge cable for up to 3 hours until the icon disappears and the green charge light is on at the back. 10. Battery reset. Press mode, set and on-off button together until control appears on the screen. Podcast. Scan QR code to hear Zeepy's bedtime stories.